Today, we're diving into the Edifier D12 Tabletop speaker. This sleek speaker packs a punch with versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.0, RCA, and AUX inputs. The wooden enclosure not only adds a touch of elegance but also minimizes acoustic resonance, resulting in a rich and warm sound. With a total power output of 70 watts RMS, the D12 delivers distortion-free audio, thanks to its 2x 4-inch woofers and 2x19mm silk dome tweeters. Whether you're a bass enthusiast or appreciate fine-tuned sound, this speaker has you covered. The studio-like sound quality truly sets it apart. Controlling your audio experience is super easy with the top-mounted knobs for treble, bass, and volume input adjustments. Plus, the wireless remote control adds convenience, allowing you to tweak settings from a distance. One standout feature is the line-out port, providing the option to add an extra subwoofer or active speakers for an even more immersive experience. Edifier stands behind the quality with a 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind for users in the USA and Canada. In this review, we'll explore the design, connectivity, sound quality, and overall user experience of the Edifier D12 Tabletop speaker. Stick around for a detailed sound test to truly appreciate what this speaker brings to the table. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.